Hi everyone! Ever wanted to build a fully functional website just by typing a few sentences? With Blackbox AI, you can. Today, I'm taking you through the 2026 step-by-step guide on how to go from a blank prompt to a professional, responsive site in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access the web prompting mode. First, head over to blackbox.ai. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main chat interface. Look for the web or code toggle at the top. This ensures Blackbox focuses on generating full-stack code rather than just snippets. In the prompt bar, describe exactly what you want. For example, build a modern, dark-themed landing page for a coffee shop with a menu section and a contact form. Step 2. Review and refine the preview. Hit enter and Blackbox will start generating the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In 2026, the real-time preview window on the right is your best friend. Watch as the site builds itself. If you don't like a color or a font, just type "make the header sticky" and change the primary color to emerald green. Blackbox will update the code instantly. Step 3. One-click deployment. Once the design looks perfect, look for the Deploy or Export button in the top corner. Blackbox now integrates directly with platforms like Vercel and Netlify. You don't even need to download the files. Just click Deploy and your site will be live with a shareable URL in seconds. Step 5. Mobile optimization check. Before you finish, use the device toggle at the top of the preview window to see how your site looks on mobile. If the layout looks a bit cramped, tell the AI, make the gallery a single column on mobile. After that final tweak, you're officially a web developer. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.